Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Nasrul Azri bin Muhammad Bakri from BA1114C. Today, I will be presenting my assignment on pipeline transportation. In this presentation, I will discuss the characteristic, advantage, infrastructure, challenge, stakeholder, and a case study related to pipeline transportation in Malaysia. What is pipeline transportation? Pipeline transportation refers to the movement of oil, gas, water, and chemical down a network of pipelines. This mode of transportation operates continuously for 24 hours a day and is widely used in Malaysia's oil and gas industry. Some important characteristics of pipeline transportation are its fixed route, ability to transport large volume efficiently, and high level of reliability. Most pipelines are installed underground or underwater to ensure safety and reduce disruption to surrounding areas. Advantage and disadvantage. Pipeline transportation offers many advantages. It can operate continuously without interruption, has lower operation costs compared to some other transportation modes, and is highly energy efficient. It is also can consider safe for transporting hazardous materials such as natural gas and petroleum products. However, there are also disadvantages. The construction cost is very high because pipelines require large investment and advanced technology. In addition, there is a risk of leakage and corrosion which may affect the environment and public safety. Pipelines are also less flexible because they operate on fixed routes. Infrastructure, network, and policy. Malaysia has several important pipeline projects, including the Peninsular Gas Utilisation Project, the Sabah Sarawak Gas Pipeline, and the Langat to Water Supply Project. This project helps support industrial development, energy security, and the supply of natural gas and water across the country. Pipeline transportation is also governed by important regulations such as the Petroleum Development Act 1974, the Gas Supply Act 1993, the Environmental Quality Act 1974, and the National Energy Transition Roadmap 2023. Issue and challenge. Despite its benefit, pipeline transportation faces several challenges, and major challenge is the high construction and maintenance costs required to build and operate pipeline networks. Another challenge is the risk of leakage and environmental pollution. If a pipeline fails, it may release harmful substances into the environment and affect nearby communities. Monitoring and maintenance can also be difficult because most pipelines are installed underground, making damage harder to detect. Therefore, regular inspection are necessary to ensure safe operation. Stakeholder analysis. Several stakeholders are involved in pipeline transportation. Government agencies such as Suruhanjaya Tenaga, DOE, and DOSH are responsible for regulation and safely monitoring. Pipeline operators such as Petronas Gas Berhad and Gas Malaysia Berhad manage the operation and maintenance of pipeline system. Other stakeholders include consumers, industry, local communities, and environmental organizations, all of whom are affected by the performance and safety of pipeline transportation. Case study Putra Height gas explosion. For my case study, I selected the Putra Height gas pipeline explosion that occurred in 2025. This incident caused major damage to homes and vehicles and raised public concern regarding pipeline safety. The explosion highlighted several issues, including safety risks, infrastructure monitoring problems, environmental impact, and economic loss. This case demonstrates the importance of proper maintenance, effective monitoring system, and strong safety measures in pipeline transportation. Recommendation: several measures can be taken to improve pipeline transportation safety. Smart leak detection system and real-time monitoring technologies should be implemented to identify problems at an early stage. Regular inspection and maintenance should also be carried out to ensure that pipeline infrastructure remain in good condition. In addition, stronger buffer zones should be established around pipeline corridors, and cooperation among stakeholders should be improved to enhance emergency response. In conclusion, pipeline transportation plays an important role in supporting Malaysia's energy and water distribution system. It is efficient, reliable, and capable of transporting large volume over long distance. However, challenges such as high costs, environmental risks, and safety concerns must be properly managed. The Putra Head incident highlights the importance of continuous monitoring, maintenance, and stakeholder cooperation to ensure a safe and sustainable pipeline transportation system. That is all from my presentation.